welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys my favorite hygiene tips. Today I'm going to teach you how to smell good all day. I'm going to tell you all my favorite hygiene tips. I use these every single day and I love these tips. These are the tips that keep me smelling good all day long, so I'm so excited to share with you guys all of my favorite hygiene tips. I have a ton of recommendations and a ton of tips, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys today. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with skincare. So the very first tip is a double cleansing. I love a double cleansing. I love it. I stand by it. I've been doing it for years and it really has helped with my skin. So basically, oil production on your skin is fairly normal. Any skin has some sort of oil production, whether you're an oily skin type or whether you're even a dry skin type. You have some form of oil production that goes on daily on your skin. What the difference is if you have too much oil on your skin and you don't cleanse it properly, then that's when you start getting like a foul smell on your skin. Also too, you have more breakouts, more acne. If you ever like take your finger and like rub it against your chin or like any part of your skin and it smells like a really foul odor, that means that you're not cleaning your skin properly. You typically have that smell because bacteria is growing on your skin because all that oil and dirt is just staying on your skin and it's not being cleansed properly. So you do the cleansing oil or the cleansing balm, you rub it into your skin and then you wash it off with warm water. And then afterwards you take your water-based cleanser, which is typically your cleanser that you use every single day, and then you put that all over your skin, rub it into your skin, and then wash it off, and then you double cleanse. Double cleansing is a game changer. I love it so much. It really helps like control the oil on my skin. I never have a foul odor on my skin. I'm regularly double cleansing day and night. The next tip is steaming your face. I love steaming my face so much. I love steaming my face and then washing my face after. I feel like steaming my face really just opens up my pores and just really just gets all the dirt and oil like that's deep within my pores and takes it all out, so I get a chance to just wash it all off once I'm done steaming my face. I use a face steamer and I love it so much. It's the Vanity Planet one. I love it. I've had it for years now. Even my skincare absorbs really well after I steam my face. I double cleanse my face before I steam my face, and then after I double cleanse with my cleansing oil and face wash, then I steam my face for about 15 minutes, and then after that I just use my face wash and just wash off my skin, and my skin is so clean. It's not even like stripped or dry, even though I have really dry sensitive skin. Onto the oral care tips. We do not want your breath to smell. We want it to be fresh. We want it to be fresh all day. You're going to be talking to people all day, whether it's at work, whether it's at school. I have oil pulling. I love oil pulling. This really helps my breath stay fresh all day long. Like, I could tell a difference between when I oil pull and when I don't. Basically, you take this before you even do anything, before you like brush your teeth or anything. I love this product. I get this off of Amazon. This one's the jumbo size. The Guru Nada Oil Pulling Oral Rinse with coconut and mint. It's also a natural teeth whitener. It's just a different clean, and once you do oil pulling, you'll understand what I'm talking about once you add it into your oral care routine. Basically, oil pulling is the very first step. Before you brush your teeth, it just takes all that oil and even gunk out of your teeth and your breath. I started off doing it 2 minutes day and night, but eventually you're gonna have to do this 10 minutes, like rinsing it in your mouth, which is where the tedious part comes into play. You're just rinsing this in your mouth for 10 minutes straight. I wouldn't suggest doing it 10 minutes like right when you get it. Start with 2 minutes. Feel comfortable with it and then increase it by minutes. Go 3 minutes the next time, or 4 minutes, or even if it takes you a couple weeks to get to 10 minutes day and night when you're doing oil pulling, that's totally okay. Just the fact that you're doing it is a great start. When you're oil pulling, try not to swallow this because it has oils like coconut oil, which aren't bad oils. They're natural, clean ingredients, but just so that you don't swallow oils, that's not good. Try oil pulling. It's so good for your teeth, so good for your breath, and it's so good for continuous oral care. Okay, next tip is a tongue scraper. Girl, there's so many germs on your tongue. Germs on your tongue, they literally create bad breath. There is a ton of germs on our tongue and we don't want that. This actually comes with my oil pulling kit, the one that I get from Amazon. It literally takes off all the bacteria off of your tongue. It will change the way your breath is. You won't have like as bad of morning breath, to be completely honest. And then also too, you won't have like bad breath in general because all that bacteria is gone. I've seen people use this before they brush their teeth, and then I've seen people use this after they brush their teeth. So it's up to your preference, honestly. Do implement a tongue scraper in your oral care routine. Trust me, you'll thank me later. The next tip that I have is to use an electric water flosser and an electric toothbrush. I love my electric toothbrush and my electric water flosser so much. I feel like it really motivates me to floss day and night, and also too, it just really cleans my teeth. This is my electric water flosser and my electric toothbrush. The electric toothbrush is from Philips Sonicare. I also got this one from Amazon, and then the electric water flosser is from Oral Free. This one's also from Amazon as well. My electric toothbrush and my water flosser really help just keep my teeth and my literally my oral care top shape. It cleans my teeth more compared to manually flossing and brushing my teeth. On to body care tips now. So the very first body care tip that I have is an African net sponge. I love African net sponges so much. Loofahs actually carry more bacteria than African net sponges. Honestly, very easy to just rinse and then just air dry, and then it's just ready to go for the next use. I love using this with body wash. So I put body wash on it, rinse it with water, and then it just all the soap suds expand, and then you just use it all over your skin. It gently exfoliates, and then also too, it really cleanses the body really well with the body wash. I get these in packs on Amazon, a pack of 3 or 4 for $10, which is really affordable compared to loofahs. Loofahs are you get one for $2, $4. I really like using these. Try African net sponges. They're a lot more exfoliating, a lot more cleansing the body more than loofahs, a lot less bacteria that's carried on, and also too, they don't break as easily compared to loofahs. I love this body wash so much. I am obsessed with it. It's truly, oh my gosh, it literally makes your skin so soft, a different kind of soft. Once you use it, I don't even know how to describe it. I want to try the oil one, the one that makes your skin super glowy. This one's the smoother one. It's the Natrium, the smoother glycolic acid body wash. I don't know what I would do without this. The next tip that I have is double cleansing your body. I really like to take a bar of soap or a shower oil that's kind of like a cleansing oil but for your body, and then using that all over my skin, and then afterwards rinsing it off, and then taking my body wash, my Natrium body wash, and then taking my African net sponge, putting that all over my skin, and then washing my skin, and then my skin is so clean, so soft. It's so ready to absorb lotion, perfumes. This is basically a cleansing oil for your skin but for your body. I love this because you can use this to shave, so it's a dual product, a 2-in-1, which I love. The next tip that I have is to use a face cleanser or panoxyl for back acne and chest acne. I had a huge issue with chest acne and back acne. Once I started putting my facial cleanser, I just started to see a difference, and also too, once I started using panoxyl, I wouldn't recommend using that on your face, especially for dry skin types. That literally dries your skin out so much. Literally your skin is a desert when you use that, at least for me. I'm not gonna lie, especially if you have sensitive skin, dry skin like myself. Use panoxyl for your back and chest acne. Your back and your chest can really tolerate that high dose of ingredients. If you don't want to use panoxyl, use a face cleanser for your chest and back acne. It saves money, and also too, your face cleanser also helps with your acne on your skin, so why wouldn't it not help for your chest and your back acne? The next body care tip that I have is to layer your body care products on your skin. Essentially do a body care sandwich. After you're done cleansing, after you're done exfoliating, you want to do a body lotion first so that your skin is hydrated and moisturized. Then spray a body mist here and there. Do deodorant, and then also to do a little bit of lotion more, or do a body cream that kind of is the same scent as your body lotion and your perfume that you used, and then put a body oil, which really locks in that moisture from the body lotion, and then spray with a body mist or a perfume. Do a hair perfume a little bit. Do a body care sandwich layering, so lotion, perfume, lotion and then body oil, then like perfume again, and just kind of like layering, and your scent travels with you because you did that body care sandwich, and all the scents, all the freshness, all the cleanliness is locked in. I also think too that it's really important to have like similar body care scents, especially since like you're doing like a body care sandwich. You want to keep in like the same scent palette. So for example, like if you're doing like vanilla and rose, you want to do like a rose deodorant and then like a vanilla lotion and then like a rose oil, body oil, and then also too like a vanilla like body mist, so that it kind of just smells so cohesive and of the same scent. I think also too implementing a really good body lotion or body cream into your routine really helps as well, especially one that smells really good and lasts long. So I have these two that I love so much. I love body lotion. I love moisturizing my skin. I especially love moisturizing with body lotion that smells so good and like lasts long all day long. The first one is the EOS Shea Butter 24-Hour Body Moisture in Vanilla Cashmere. If you love vanilla, this is a vanilla girl's dream. I love this so much. This is a really good lotion, and it smells so sweet, so vanilla-y. Like, it's so good. I love this. I also love this one. This one's my new favorite. Hemp's Sweet Jasmine and Rose with plant collagen. I love this so much. Honestly, if you like smell this like from the bottle, it's gonna smell a little weird. When you apply it to your skin, it's like magic, and it smells like something totally different, and it smells incredible. I love this. The skin really transforms the scent of the lotion. I love this so much. It smells incredible on your skin. Now onto hair care. Implement hair vitamins into your routine. I got these off of Amazon. It has like Moroccan oil, macadamia oil, avocado oil. You take a capsule, you twist the top, and then you squeeze all the hair product into your hands, rub your hands, and then apply it into your hair. I like to add it like from here down, so it really makes my hair really just so nice and healthy looking. It just makes it look healthy. Each layer is so healthy looking in my hair. For my shampoo and conditioner, I use the V&Co company ones. I really like those a lot. I use the thickening shampoo, and then I also use the wavy conditioner. I like those too so much. So I like to wash it every other day. I also like to use like a hair perfume, which is really nice. I use like the Sol de Janeiro ones because those ones are hair perfumes as well, and like it really makes my hair smell so good. And also too, it matches with like my body because I'm spraying it on my body and on my hair. Also too, using a dry shampoo on days when like it's not wash day is really good. I like to use the Ava NYC one. I like to use the Living Proof dry shampoo. That one's so good. I've been loving collagen in my diet. I have a collagen powder, and I implement that in like my flavored water. I mix it and then I drink it every single day. I like doing like flavor water and collagen together because I stay hydrated, but also too I get my collagen dose for the day, which is like a 2-in-1. I love that. I love collagen in my diet. I feel like I've seen such a drastic change in my skin, in my nails, in my hair, even in my joint support. If you're sensitive to taste and smell, which I know I am, definitely get an unflavored collagen powder. You do have to wait a while, like at least for my collagen powder, like for it to dissolve in order for it to be flavorless. So definitely wait a while until like the collagen has dissolved in your drink, and then it will be flavorless, unscented. The next tip that I have is water is your best friend. Stay hydrated. Water gives you energy. Like at least for me, when I stay hydrated, my energy levels are up and I'm not as tired. And also too, I have less headaches because I'm so prone to headaches. It's crazy. But when I drink water and I stay hydrated, literally no headaches throughout the day, which I love. And also too, hydration really helps with your skin. Definitely make sure you wash your washing machine. Every single time when you wash your clothes, it has dirt, it has oils, it has stuff from the outside, and then a lot of that just builds up in the washing machine. And then the more times you wash your clothes and you don't wash the washing machine, like you don't cleanse the washing machine, it's gonna like have this yucky smell on your clothes. There's like little cleaning tablets that you can get like in the laundry detergent aisle that are just for like cleaning the washer, and then you put the tablet in and then you just put it on a cycle. You don't put anything in other than the tablet, and then basically it just dissolves and cleans the washer. So I like to use Gain. I like to use their Hawaiian Breeze scent. That one's really good. And then I like to use the Downy laundry detergent beads. I like to put those at the bottom first before I put the clothes in there, and then I put softener in there as well, just a little bit, and honestly it just keeps my clothes smelling fresh and clean. Shoe hygiene is another tip that I have. Clean your shoes so that that scent doesn't linger in the shoe, because if the shoe has that scent, that weird funky scent, it's going to transfer onto our feet, and then our feet are going to smell nasty, and we do not want that. So definitely like spray your shoes with an antibacterial spray. Spraying it inside the shoe really helps. Definitely use an antibacterial spray so that your shoes smell clean and then your feet smell clean. That is all the hygiene tips and self-care tips that I have today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys!